Telangana, the youngest and the fastest growing state in India, is scaling new heights. Telangana soon started ticking the right boxes. The seeds of innovation were sown at a young age. T-Hub, the Hyderabad startup ecosystem anchor, is among the first such initiatives to institutionally build a startup innovation ecosystem. WeHub was created to nurture women entrepreneurs, help them grow and scale up operations. T-Works is formed to reduce the barrier for hardware prototyping and extend help to master their hardware prototype. RICH, Rich facilitates research, reaches the market. Task, to enhance skilling among the youth. Task will skill them so that they become robust entrepreneurs, and TSIC to simply create more and more innovators. The central theme is to create a unique model of innovation for the state. Adding to this, the progress in curriculum and entrepreneurial culture at educational institutions are also said to have contributed to the growth of the state startup ecosystem. Telangana has also embarked on a journey to make Digital Telangana a reality. T-Fiber, or the Telangana Fiber Grid, envisions to establish a state-of-the-art digital network infrastructure across the state. Since the formation of state in 2014, the IT exports grew at a CAGR of 15.67%. Exports saw a 220% growth since 2014. For the financial year 2021-22, Telangana's ITES exports touched Rs 1,83,569 crore, a whopping increase of 26.14% over the previous financial year. The rise of Rs 38,046 crore from 2020-21 is the highest in a single year since state formation. As per NASSCOM, India's total ITES exports grew at 17.20% during the financial year 2021-22. Telangana recorded 9% higher growth rate in ITES exports than the national average. In 2014, when the state was formed, 3.23 lakh people were employed in the IT sector. Telangana ITES employment witnessed an impressive 140% growth since 2014. During financial year 2021-22, Telangana added about 1,50,000 new jobs, taking the total ITES employment to 7,78,121, an year-on-year increase of a phenomenal 23.78% compared to 2020-21. As per NASSCOM, the Indian ITES sector added 4,50,000 new jobs in financial year 2021-22. With 2.5 times more indirect jobs created, about 20 lakh people are dependent on the IT sector. As envisioned in the second ICT policy 2021-26, Telangana is well on its course to achieve Rs 3 lakh crore exports and 10 lakh jobs. With new players coming in, Hyderabad saw a demand for office space rise. Hyderabad topped Bengaluru in office space absorption for 2 quarters. The government of Telangana has unveiled Rural Technology Centres policy for the growth and development of Tier 2 cities and rural areas. The IT department is developing dedicated towers and incubation centres across Tier 2 and Tier 3 locations, with a target to generate employment to 25,000 professionals by 2026. Telangana offers the best-in-class infrastructure and progressive and friendly government policies that is resulting in new and repeat investments from MNCs. Further, Hyderabad boasts of stable government, cosmopolitan culture, mature business ecosystem and high quality of living.